Alright, welcome back to Dale Kramer's Custom Cars and Anything. But this is kind of an update. I put the windows in it yesterday. And that door I think is going to go. I got to get a fish house door or something for it. And then I wish I could expand this out a little bit. But these are the windows I got from Menards. They're only 49 bucks a piece. So if you're interested in something. And they got the removable, removable screens, and I think the panes actually come out if I'm right. I'm not sure about that. Maybe not. But if I stand back here, you can kind of see. I didn't build no headers, because I figured I had this going across the steel, the cap plate, all that. So I thought, I'm not going to sit and build headers. It's just a knee wall. It's, but how headers are. They're designed so when the weight comes down, it goes around the window. The weight does, and it goes down. But I think we'll be fine there because we got all this extra stuff going across anyway already. So, but just to kind of give everybody a, a thing here. Here, I'll move to this other side and then walk over here. 4 kinkles. So, and you might remember those other videos, that, well, anyway, first of all, so there's that window. And what's nice is these windows come with the stickers that come off easy. When you buy windows, why they can't make stickers come off easy is beyond me. But there it is. I'll save that. Because what I'm going to do is I'll save that and I'll put that in a book. So if I ever sell this thing, then they know exactly what I bought for a window. But you save all that stuff when you're putting that in something like this. Yeah, lever flips up and then this slide is open. So you can just pull those pins, and the screen pops out. So yeah, I wouldn't use them in a house. They're not that quality, but for a fish house or a camper, shit, they're perfect. Which way is this from now? Oh, no wonder why I gotta close it more. It's kind of neat. I just noticed that they got a little bump in there, so that way you're getting the window closed. So yeah, they'll work great on a fish house or a camper, chicken coop, dog house, whatever you want to call it all. But I wouldn't use them in a house. They're not that good of quality for that. But let's go outside and I'll show you what the outside looks like. Anyway. That's what it looks like. So they look nice. They're good windows. Yeah, they're perfect, I think. Yeah, it's coming around. So But that door is still, this door is going to be replaced, I think. But again, you can see, let's see, where's a good vantage point here? Well, you can see how I fastened the knee wall. You know, I pre-drilled and I used 1/4 inch by 2.5 inch leg bolts. God, flies are nuts. But yeah, and then I did the same up above. And you can see, like in that one video, how I told you about the 2x4. If you watch the other videos, see now you got a nailer in each corner, and then I had a nailer for the wood on the outside. And I use that that vertical siding, you know, primer siding. You know, it's just basically that wafer board covered up with, you know. But yeah, so anyway, that's the latest update. Now I drilled all the holes for the wiring. You know, so I'm gonna start wiring it now. So anyway, please like and subscribe. And you can keep watching this, and sooner or later I'm gonna go back on car restoration again. I just take a break from that and I go to this for a little while. Trying to give you a feel for this thing. No, now I had a fly in my eye. Now I gotta sneeze. Please like and subscribe, you guys, and take care, and thanks for watching. I would appreciate it. Bye-bye.